Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Scott's Honest Reviews. So we're doing a 1-year update on our Ryobi pressure washer system, and let me tell you guys, it has been performing like a champion. If you guys are interested, I'll add a link in the video description where you guys can get this Ryobi pressure washer as well as our expandable hose, which is extremely lightweight and a good extension cord that's waterproof. So I'm going to show you guys this in action, and let me tell you, it is phenomenal. You can get different types of nozzles, and you can even use it on your car. And I'm going to show you, our deck needs repainted, but there's still some wood chippings that we want to get off, and I'm going to show you how well it can strip wood. That way you don't have to sand as much, and I'm going to show you how it cleans up our house. Alright guys, stay tuned. Let's get started. But before we get started, I want to go ahead and let you guys know a little secret. For one, when you're trying to take off the garden hose, make sure the pressure is completely out of the line. So bleed it through the line before you try and take off the hose, or else it's going to get stuck. Another thing, if you go and press the power button after using it and it doesn't turn on, 9 times out of 10, you tripped this, so you just need to press the reset button right here, the big button, reset it, press and hold about 5 seconds, and make sure the line doesn't have any pressure, and then turn it right on with the press of a button. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and show you. Can you see this beautiful, beautiful mildew buildup? Alright. So I'm doing this with one hand. It is very easy. Look how it cuts through that like it's nothing. So here's our wood. Now keep in mind, you want to be a good distance back so you don't ruin your siding or ruin your deck or sidewalk or brick, because pressure washers can cut into brick and wood. For us, we're going to stand back a little bit because we're going to try and strip this paint as good as we can. So that's our purpose. But if you're doing a wood deck or brick, patio or something like that, make sure you stand back really far away and then get closer as you have to. So we're a couple feet back, and it's already, you can see that it broke through the old paint. So if you're, if your goal is not to break through your paint of your deck or your stain, then stand back about, like this far back. So you can see the mildew buildup. I'm going to show you getting the mildew off, and then also getting some of the paint off. So we're going to stand far back for the mildew. So just so you guys can see how it looks right now. Alright. So we're standing back pretty good. It's going to be harder to get the top part. So you can see we got some of the top. Now doing this with one hand's a little hard to show you, so we're going to show you stripping the paint. So look at that. Strip the paint. When you have your deck fully dried, you can go ahead and repaint then. Alright guys, I hope this has helped you. If you have any questions, let me know, leave a comment. Remember, if you're doing screen doors or if you're doing anything that's old glass metal. If you don't want to strip it, like I always tell everybody, stay further back to start. Get closer until you can hear the pressure build up on it. It's better to stand further back and get closer than to stand too close and damage something. Thank you guys. If this video has helped you, please subscribe. It would mean a lot to me.